What is going on, guys? It's Aaron with Lansing Lawn Service, and today I am coming to you with a Gravely Pro Stance update. Alright guys, so a little story time here. While I was at the GIE, I stopped by the Gravely booth and I happened to catch Andy from Cut and Clean Lawn Care, and I got to talking to him about my Gravely Pro Stance because you guys know that he runs Gravely. And what I found out is that my Gravely Pro Stance is supposed to have baffles. And not only are they called baffles, they're actually called like suction baffles. And as you can see, there is one right there. It's black. Okay, it was not there before. My Gravely Pro Stance deck came with 0 adjustable baffles. I'm going to turn you sideways here. That right there is the turbo baffle. That's what they call a turbo baffle. That's brand new. Suction baffles, brand new. They put 3 of them in there. All brand new. Because my Gravely Pro Stance deck did not come with them. So, my review of the Gravely Pro Stance is up for a redo. Now, I know a lot of you guys have seen that video, so I'll probably do a new one next spring when the grass is growing good. If I still have this mower, I do have it up for sale. If you would like to buy it, they say at the dealer it's cutting great, but of course, I don't think they cut with it at all because there's no grass on the baffles. Nothing like that. So I'm pretty sure they're feeding me a load of crap, but that's okay. I don't know what to say at this point other than I'm ready to try it out. I'm going to use it to mulch up some leaves and see if it works any better, if there's more suction. There's got to be more suction because there was absolutely 0 suction when I was using it before. So I will make a new review video on the Gravely Pro Stance when I get a chance, when I get to cut some grass, some significant grass, so that you guys aren't left in the dark, because I didn't receive this machine from Gravely. I have no skin in the game with Gravely at all as to, you know, what I have to say. You know, I don't have any money on the line for saying what I'm going to say, good or bad. It's all me. I bought this machine. It's all me. So I want to be completely 100% transparent about this mower and give you the facts as I see them, as they pertain to cutting grass here in Michigan. I'm not going to hold back. You know, if it hurts Gravely's feelings, I'm sorry. But as I did in my last video, I basically tore this mower apart piece by piece and really didn't have a whole lot of good things to say about it. Hopefully, my opinion will change with the cut quality, if the cut quality changes. So I would love to see that. You guys know, and I said it in the last video, I really like the constant tension pulley system that they have. I think that is a wonderful thing. I think that is a needed thing in this industry. I know a lot of my belts just flop all over the place, and it's not cool. The constant tension system, that is one of the best things I think that Gravely has come out with. Again, there's a lot of things that I don't care for on this mower, but we will get into that in my second review of the mower. I went into the dealer with the intentions of saying, you know what, just take this mower back. I do not want it. There was failure on 3 different levels with this mower. There was a failure on the manufacturing end. There was a failure on the rep end because he did the final walk around of this mower with me when I bought it. And there was a failure on the dealer end because they were supposed to prep the machine for me to pick it up. In fact, they kept it for an extra week to prep the machine, and they did not catch that it had no baffles in it either. So failure on 3 different levels with this Gravely machine. I was not happy about it at all. I didn't know that it was supposed to have these baffles in it. How am I supposed to know? Now, they don't have any pictures of the underside of their decks on Gravely's website. They don't talk about the decks. I mean, it is ridiculous why these mowing companies do not talk about the cutting deck. That is the business end of these machines, and rarely do they get talked about. That is so frustrating to me. At least Toro shows you the underside of their deck. They show you what it looks like, what it's supposed to look like. Nowhere on Gravely's website do they do that. So I had no idea what it was supposed to have. Guys were telling me that, you know, I should adjust these baffles. Well, I went under there 3 different times because I thought, man, maybe I'm just blind and I'm not seeing them. I went under there. I looked for these adjustable baffles. There was nothing. There was literally nothing. And I got pretty darn ticked off. And I went into the dealer, ticked off, and I wanted them to take this mower back. I just didn't feel right about it. I've had this mower all summer. I didn't contact the dealer. It was my fault. If I would have contacted the dealer 3 weeks when I stopped using this mower and said, hey, this mower cuts like crap, I would have been much better off. I wouldn't have wasted my money. I would have gotten my money back, and I would have been done with it. It's on me. It's my fault. I screwed up. That was my mistake. I screwed up. And so I'm taking the blame for that. That's why I kept the mower. I'm going to see if I like it. But it is for sale. It is up for sale. I'll probably keep it up for sale because I'm really, really, really striving to get out of debt. And my Toro Grandstand, or my Toro Multiforce rather, is almost paid off. I've got a little over $1,000 left to go on that. And I'd really like to get that knocked out this year yet, if I can. And then the next thing would be to get my snowplow knocked out, and then the truck after that. So I really want to get out of debt badly, because I can grow the business when I'm out of debt. I can't grow it if I'm pushing out $1,000 a month on debt. I just can't do that. So that's where I'm at right now, guys. I really hope this video was helpful for you. If you get a Gravely deck that doesn't have any adjustable baffles in it, take it back to your dealer right away. They should put these baffles in for free. It's supposed to come with them. It's supposed to have them. If it doesn't, then just say, take this mower back. I don't want it. But do not accept a Gravely mower without any adjustable baffles, because it will literally cut like crap and you will regret ever buying it. So I'm hoping that this mower cuts a lot better with the baffles in it. I'm pretty sure it probably will. At least I hope so. And we will find out when I get to use it next. So if you guys enjoy these videos, try out some of these videos in this playlist right here. And I will see you over in one of those videos. Bye.